What's up, guys? How is everybody doing today? Hope everyone's well. Missed yesterday. My bad. Maybe we can get into some trades today. Honestly, I think I'm gonna play Eve while we wait for trades. Really, I don't see too much. Yes, maybe. I'd like to get some kind of position for a push to all-time high again. Maybe on a re-achieve. Bitcoin pushing. Looks like it, yeah, looks like they want to just keep the ball rolling on that. Hope everybody's good. Good news, we rented the villa. So, that was good. That's pretty much all I did today. Really, I gotta get an upgraded webcam here, man. This webcam is shite. Hopefully some people show up today. Down. Chat it up for a bit. Talk about trading. Let's have a look at the charts. Oh, yes. The mother, yes. Looks like we're rolling here with the S. This would have been a good trade to take. Off this failure. I probably wouldn't have taken this one. This was the first failure here. Let's have a look at it. This was kind of the first failure. It was here. I wouldn't have taken that. I might have taken this. And then I would have been stopped out already. But I'm kind of more interested in trading it to the upside, honestly. It would be nice if they come down a bit. Let's have a look at the 4 hour. We kind of got this zone. They already tested it. How is this? So if they come down again, I would imagine they test this. Something like that. Sorry. Something like that, I think. And then, you know, continue to the upside. Yeah, this trade trade is pretty hard to take, but there's one here. What is that? 52, 51, 45? It's just scary taking longs when we're way up here, man, you know? I don't know. I don't know, dude. The 4-hour continuation's way down. There's also this down here. They kind of tested it here, but there is that. They did take the liquidity here, so I don't imagine it would get that far. I would imagine that this zone would probably play. And fuck, they might even hold the top range here. If they re-achieve, I'll probably look to get into a long. Kind of what we're watching today. For this morning anyway. See if we can get a little pump, a little dump and then pump. Still kind of waiting on the US dollar to lose this level. I want them to lose this level and then I'll look for longs. So I'll short the euro. That's kind of what I've been watching for the last few days here. I haven't really lost it. I mean, they're going to, it looks like it, right? Came down, tested it. Came up, did not make a new high, did not break out of the range, the 4-hour range, not gain the 4. So then just started falling apart again. So now they're just kind of petering out. So we're just gonna wait until they make a lower low here in this area down here. This is a nice untested area right here. So probably it is kind of tested, but we look at something like that in that area. Let me just look at the daily here on the dollar. Yeah. Yeah, you know, I do kind of like that zone there. That would be a good zone, liquidity under here. Under the dollar. Really this whole area. So I'd just be looking for it to dump here. And then looking for longs on the or shorts, should I say, on the euro. So we'll see if that happens. It's kind of been the plan here for a while. This is a daily that they're holding to, right? So that's why it's taking a little bit of time. But it could happen today. We'll get the 15-minute up. Looks like they've gained the 15, so. But honestly, they failed the 4, so I don't know. I wouldn't be taking it too quick to be taking longs on just yet. Bitcoin. Let's look at Bitcoin. 4-hour. Yeah, all-time high is inevitable, I think, at this point. I'm just kind of waiting till past all-time high, and then waiting for failure to take a short. So that's kind of my play on Bitcoin. I still have, you know, a bunch of crypto from 20k range. I did sell about 20% of my portfolio in this range. But I think that crypto could go a hell of a lot higher. You know, let's throw a fib on it. You stupid magnet, man. Just like I can get the about range, you know. From this retrace here. Doesn't have to be exact, right? You know, it's around 100k. So that's kind of where you'd be looking for on the push up. And you know, of course there's going to be resistance up here because they took so much liquidity on the all-time high, right? So they made new highs, so there of course was going to be resistance there, right? So it's kind of the play. Kind of like to see them just blast it, you know what I mean? At this point, like I'd like to see them up in this range. Again, I'll be taking profits up here, and then I'll be taking heavy profits up here at 168. If we do get to at 130, I'll probably be basically out of crypto. I don't think that will get that high though. Honestly, I think that we're probably, this is the range that we're gonna be looking at here for. Could be wrong. No, who knows, right? No one really knows with this shit. I mean, if ES reachieves here, this could be a decent spot, really. I feel like they're gonna hold the top range in this time. They gave ample opportunity already to get long. I guess we will see. Can just look over some of the long-term trades that I have here. See what's going on pre-market. Let's look at this in the daily. All right, Warner Brothers. Warner Brothers is in like a big zone for accumulation. Accumulating off this. Could go a little bit lower. Maybe $6 or something like that. $7 in between 7 and 6, but I've already started accumulating a lot. So this I'm looking for at least to move back above this stuff here. Into this. So if we move back up there, I'll be taking profit slots at $20, and then I'll just keep a runner for down the road. This is a stinker of mine. I don't have too much in it, but it is not very nice. Oops. Really, I think I'm gonna boot up Eve, man, and put Eve on one of the charts, because trading it's just boring, man. Just sit around and watch charts. Oof, this is a far drop down still. I'm hoping that we end the year at least back up here. That would be my hope, is that we end the year up here. or up here in this range. Good Nike. Nike did have some gains here. Like this was a good spot to buy Nike. They put in a good move here, right? They gained over this. So, you know, this is a good spot. I actually am in Nike from back here, off of this liquidity zone. I did take some profits, but I should take more. I'd like to see him move just back above this. End up into here. This is all longer term stuff that we're talking about here. Nem gaining the monthly here if we close with the month up here. I was in this one off of this gain of the weekly here. I think I bought that. Pretty sure I re-added here too. This one I'm in from down here. A gain of this. I believe that this is, you know, we should take profit. We need to take profits on this guy because this is a big zone. I'll probably look at taking some profits today on this guy, maybe half the position or something like that, because, you know, none of this stuff goes up forever, right? The bottom of this zone is here, so yeah, I'll probably take profits on this, some profits anyway. This is also lining up with this back here, so this is a big level, you know. This really is like a big zone, and we're almost there. Another 50 bucks. Maybe not today, but I will. This one's on the radar for taking profits for sure. Maybe on a sweep of the new high here. If we get a new high, maybe into 180 or something like that. Plus, gonna set some targets. Should make a note of that, man. MKT, this one, I am in. We're basically at break even on this one. I'm in off this move here, and then it came back down, and I don't know, I accumulated some positions down here. I'd like to see a move back above this. Up here. Kuvu. Kenview. This one's at break even too. Had a really big weekly gain here, so like I don't know. I feel like this is gonna start going. Might take a little while, but I think we're gonna see move back above 22. Should get out of this one. Actually, it doesn't move that much, man. %20 gain if it goes up there. I mean, it's stocks, right? It doesn't. It is what it is. Kind of how it goes with stocks. I believe for this one, I got in CarMax on a gain of this. This is an internal trend. I don't usually play these too much, but they did make new lows here, and then they gained, and then I wasn't in this position, but I did get in here because they had a solid gain over this weekly. They did fail a few times here, but I don't know. We'll see. They're holding on to this was like the range to hold, right? It's failure to gain play, right? This stuff sweep out, come back, test it. It's pretty basic. It's just like all my trading is pretty basic, you know. I'd have to check where I'm in from this guy, but down here, I think somewhere. I can't remember exactly. I think I actually played this on this guy. This move. Gain, retest, previous. So, pretty sure I played that. Kim. Basically at entry on Kim. We played this after this move up, this retest. Can't remember exactly where, but I think I started buying at 19, something like that. Around 19, so we're basically at entry. Kraft Heinz in this guy too. After made a new low here. Gained with aggression and then the retest. So I think I'm basically in it from here. So basically at entry on this guy too. Insight. I don't remember exactly where, but close to entry on this guy. I think 56 or something. I can't remember. I played this retest. I can't remember how deep I had my orders. This one basically at entry. I played gain, played the retest. We'll see what happens. This one is starting to look promising. Like a move above 148. Taking some profits there for sure if it happens. And for sure at the what's up, Nulls? For stocks, yeah, I don't use TradingView for stocks anymore. I still use it for futures. I'm probably gonna switch to Quant Tower. I was using Quant Tower before, but not anymore. I don't know why I switched, but kind of was jumping back and forth with Quant Tower and this over the last few years. But I heard Quant Tower is good now, so. I'm using just for my stock. This is like long-term stuff I'm talking about. So it's in my long-term. It's in my long-term portfolio, right? So it's in like a special account, not like a regular, margin account. I have it with Quest Trade, I believe. Fees are a little bit higher on Quest Trade, but these ones are all like long-term positions, right? So with this account, I basically just trade on the weeklies. Fidelity. I believe I smashed in on Fidelity. Somewhere in this range. I can't remember. Don't remember exactly, but it's in the profit. Yeah, I should be taking some profits on that too, actually. This one has a little while to go, though. I'd like it to go a little bit more. You use Quant Tower too, Nels? First Energy is another one that I took here. Here. Gain of this, the retest here. Really, they kind of gained this monthly, so I kind of would just expect them higher than this. Somewhere up in this area. Yeah, the thing I like about Quantower is that you can just hit the mouse button and place an order right away, and then drag the stop. It was nice. It's a nice UI, especially if you're actively trading, like you're trading on you're trading futures or whatever, where you're going to be a little bit more snappier. Whatever this thing is, I'm in from here too. A lot of good trades. Couple stinkers, but Caesars, I'm in from right here. I believe I added a little bit more on the sweep here too. Can't remember. To look at my account. So basically at entry there. I don't remember exactly where I got in on this one, but somewhere on this pullback. Disney's at a really good long-term buy spot. If you look at the monthly, yeah, you know, I do a little bit more with stocks. I do maybe 5%, honestly, with long-term buy stocks like this. I know it's a bit much, but it's a little bit different with stocks, man. Really, you kind of have to play them a little bit differently, or else you'll just, I don't know. I play it a little bit differently than I do when I'm trading futures. When I'm trading futures, yeah, I do a lot less because futures are crazy. Stocks, I find they respect price action a lot more. Especially if you're playing on like the weekly, you know? Like there's usually always a move. Caesars, is it Caesars? Yeah, Caesars still is kind of at the buy spot still. Even right now, man, honestly. It came down, tested it. Had a nice move. They also gained on the way on for this, right? And it still has a way to go to get to the next spot up here. So, you know, I don't know. This is a good spot on Caesars. I might put this one out. Quite the move, man. It's like 100% move. See, Nulls, I have to get a new bot, man. Your chat's not showing up on the screen, man. Really, this bot's garbage. It's out. Oh, CVS, fucking dang. The last little while. Oof. Still kind of hanging in there, but this is kind of the area. Let's look at the monthly here. Kind of missed the move a bit, but this is still kind of the area. But it's got some work to do now. Ugh, look at that. What a disaster. I have a daily gain over here. Let's put the gap here too. Yeah. This one's probably looking good. I think I bought it off this. Uh-oh, this one's not looking good. I'm probably stopped out on this. If I'm not, I'm gonna be getting out. Bogan. All right. Well, that's nice. Okay, so ES did re-achieve here. Try to get into a position here on ES, just this internal trend here. Why not, right? Let's see if it plays, see if it holds. How many points is this? Oh yeah, that's tight, man. And I'd be looking for this, at least. Really, man, make me connect? Come on, guys. Just remember me, you know? What is that? 32 bucks on each contract from there. Okay. We'll get a few in there and we'll see what we can do. I really don't like the mid. I don't like taking longs at all-time high either, you know. But I just feel like everything's gonna just be breaking out, man. It's like this is the world that we live in. So we'll see if that can play out. I'll move some of these profit targets if we get hit. I move some of these down too, actually. See if that happens. Oh, is it? Yeah, probably stop out coming then. There's some crazy action the other day with the data. This right here. I think it was this. No, maybe down here. Yeah, this fucking wildness. This boom and then smash. Really, I don't pay attention to the data at all. I never know what's coming up with the data or like who, you know, what's the deal with it. I guess I should probably pay attention a bit more, but I don't. Really, I think we should play Eve though. What, don't you think? You think we should play Eve while we trade? You've never seen Eve? I just mine in it. It's not like it's super fun, but it's something that you can do while you trade, you know? Because it's like really low brain effort. I mean, this is going to be my trade for the day. So like after it's in there, it's like, that's basically it for me. Rarely do I even take 2 trades anymore in the day. This is as small as I can get it. Sorry, Bitcoin. So this is my mining operator. We can get it a little bit. This is my fleet commander. All right. Let's get some of these things off the screen here. We'll undock all my guys here. We'll head over to the mining field. We'll go to this one. These are my other two guys here. All right. I think we have arrived. All right. So this is the minefield. Just gonna turn on our our industrial core. Yeah, I think so, Nels. Turn on our ore compressor there. And then my other guys, I'll get them to start mining. I have three guys that I work with here. All right. Looks like I need to be a bit closer. This guy, how far do these lasers get? 16. Maybe we'll go do this side of the field first. Oh, it looks like ES is just taking off here, eh? Without us? You sons of bitches. Why? Okay, it's been a while since I've played Eve here. How do I target? Lock target control. All right, we might get an entry here. Let's see. Looks like Bitcoin breaking out here. Kind of felt like it was going to be a move to all-time high. And they're going to hold this top range, man. US dollar trying to hold too. Cool if we could get a fill, man. Let's go. Come on. Just help us out a bit. That's all. I guess we can launch the drones too, yeah? Well, 1 hour till market open. I think we might get a fill. I think they're gonna fill us and then they're gonna blast it for market open. Another blaster. Classic blast, you know? Or maybe not, who knows? Send out the drones to mine a bit. Like that was pretty close to getting. I'm always like fucking one tick off, man. Let's see. This has a pretty good chance, though, of taking that liquidity, I think. So let's see, man. Just go down, take the liquidity, and pump it one time. Yeah, US dollar looks like it wants to hold now. All right, let's see. Let's see if we can get a fill here. Looking like maybe. No, no fill yet. Come on, ES. Just do it for me one time. Just a nice little dump and then a big pumper. And you could totally play Eve while fucking trading. It's not too hard at all. Really, Eve doesn't pay the bills though. You need to trade. Let's get it. Let's turn off this aircon, man. It's freezing. NQ is going to be kind of telling here. So we can get over this area. Looks like it already has. Yeah, man. Let's just get a fill and go to all-time high, man. Nice and easy, you know? All right. Let's see if we can do it. Probably gonna need to wait until 9:30, I'm sure. I'll be right back, boys. I'm just gonna make a coffee. Oh, great. Looks like that didn't work out. Oh, it looks like it hit first, and then I hit all my targets. So stupid. It look at the 1 minute, I guess. I walk away from the screen for 1 minute. I made $225. What a wild move. This candle must have filled all my orders and then went up like with it. That must have been crazy. Yeah. Yeah, it was. $73. Yeah, that's up here. Wow. Well, dude, did you see my orders? No, I was away from the screen. I just got back. All my orders filled, and then all profit targets hit. I come back and I'm like, all I see, all I see is this on the 15, and I'm like, oh shit, you know. I guess none of my shit hit. But this candle must have went crazy, like this, because I had orders all the way down. Oh no, right here. Yeah, I had orders from here until here. So this candle must have went like this first, and then blast, and then down. Because the P&L is at, yeah, look, filled at 53.73. 53.73 here. Good times, man. What a move. Short was the play though, but look at on the micros again with this wipe shit, you know? Look at it. Look at this sweep. Dirty sweeps again. All the time on the micros. This shit happens like all the time, dude. It's starting to get a little much. It's too much, man. Like with the sweeps, really. Like literally all the time. Well, that was a pretty good day. I'm probably done for the day. I don't imagine we'll be getting into any other trades. I'll take my $250 and hit the road. Yeah, I will be rewatching the stream for sure because it didn't really make sense, but we'll see. Wait, I mean because it happened so fucking fast? Yeah, I'll have to go back and watch the VOD. It's alright. I can watch the VOD too. It's fine. Not a huge deal. Really wild though. As I looked, I'm like $220. How did I get $220? It looks like I got stopped out. Let's look on the small time frame, like the 30-second. Yeah, like what the hell happened here, man? Even on the 30-second, this must have been on like on the tick. Even on the tick, dude. Like what happened here? Oh, it was this. Yeah, no, it didn't go below my stop. It was this one here that hit and then went up. So if you look at the 1 second, oh no, it didn't, man. Like oh yeah, it must have been that. $64. Where were my fills? 63. 62, 61. Yeah, like I don't understand. I really don't understand what happened. Where's the clip? On YouTube? Okay. Yeah, send it on Discord is good. Yeah, I'm watching it now. Oh yeah, that was super lucky. All the shit went went flying, man. That's crazy. Oh yeah, it didn't fill my orders. I'm gonna see, maybe I even got stopped out on one. Did I get any stops? Did any stops get hit? 53.39. Just get this back on the 15-minute. Yeah, I think a couple stops might have got hit. Oh no, those got canceled. No. Yeah, no, I didn't see it. Pretty stupid though. Yeah, like that should have got stopped there for sure, man. So dumb. So dumb trading sometimes, yeah. Oh well. At least something good actually happened in my favor for one time. Yes, come and do a level I have marked out here. But honestly, it's going to be hard to get back into a trade in the next probably hour or two, right? Because I need to see a gain again first. So really, this is dirty on ES, man. Just again with the sweep, so brutal, man. He did it down here too, didn't they? Yeah. Can't remember where. Yeah, I don't remember where. Oh no, it was this short too. This and then sweep. Exact same situation. Fucking sweeps. Honestly, they do. I started getting pissed off about the situation. Like, what do you do? And then if you look on the other, you know, the big boys, the regular ES, they don't sweep there. It's crazy. Makes me want to just start trading the bigger fucking, the bigger products. US dollar ripped it too. Looks like they do want to respect this zone. I thought for sure they were gonna fail it, man, because this was the they did fail the 4 hour. They didn't gain it. I mean, now they have, but let's just check the US dollar on the 4 hour here. This was the area where they kind of failed before. This is still kind of just a big internal trend from this leg down. So this is all internal still. They've been up here a few times already. They haven't been able to crush it. Bitcoin makes new high, holding the upper range so far. It's kind of a good spot for Bitcoin, but it's upper range, man. I don't like upper range trading like that. I do not like upper range trading like that. Yeah, really. I'm probably done though for the day. I don't see anything, you know. I don't just take trades on a whim anymore, man. Like I wait for very specific entries now, and I don't see this happening because they're probably gonna pump this, and then you know you can't put your stop anywhere here. If they did something like this and then down and then up and then gain and then this, sure. But that could take hours to play out, and I will not sit at the computer for hours, so. But it looks like my magic line on the chart might be holding. Might be holding. We might hold it. Could just keep playing Eve too. Quite the bounce off that line. Really, I got lucky there, man. Like, I should not have been trading up there. I don't like trading in the upper range like that. It's not a good... They're not smart fucking trades, man. I mean, 10 points right there off that line. I just want to look at the euro here for a second, too. Did the euro sweep? No. Yeah, euro, I should have took a short there. I would have played. What are you gonna do, you know? Quite a furious drop, though. Why so furious? You know? Why? Yeah. Really. I think that's gonna be it for today. I didn't even make it to the fucking market open, man. It's like a 1.5 hour stream before the market open. Yeah, like just a 2 hour stream before the market open. Didn't even make it to the market open. Just get your trade in, and that's it. Well, that's it for today, guys. It's a winning day, even though I don't deserve it, but hey, I'll take it. Profit on the day, $222. We will, yeah, we're just gonna call that a day and call it a week. I think we're up on the week 400 or something like that. I can't remember. But yeah, thanks to Nulls for stopping in, the one and only chatter. You're the best. Thanks for the support. Hopefully we can get some other people coming on by. Fuck, the meme coins are just like going crazy, yeah? GameStop is that up 50%. Fuck. Nuts. Yeah, man, thanks for stopping in. Appreciate you. Sorry it wasn't a little longer, but hey, what are you gonna do? Once I get my trade, it's like it's kind of it for me. I get my trade and I get the hell out. If you guys ever want me to look at charts or anything, you know, you can just shoot me a Discord, or you can even just put it in chat and just tell me what you want me to look at. I can look at it for you. I'm kind of a lazy trader, man. I like to just make my $200 and leave. But as long as we're winning, yeah? All right, boys. Thanks again. I'll definitely have to look at this chat bot because the chat bot's not putting any of the YouTube chat up on screen, so I have to get that sorted out. I don't know why. It's supposed to be working. It was working at one point and then it just stopped. Peace out. See you guys on, I think actually what I'm going to do on Sunday is I'm going to put out YouTube videos on Sunday that just goes over the NASDAQ 100 in the daily chart. You're looking for whatever trades that we can find. Hopefully that brings some more people in here. All right, boys. Take it easy. Until Monday.